So the next question is that what is the counter and what are the different classifications of the counter. So what do you mean by counter is a counter is an example for the sequential circuit which is used to count the number of clock pulses is known as the counter. So what is the meaning of counter means which is used to count the number of clock pulses that are applied at the input side is called as the counter. For example, see if this want to count is something 0, 1, 2, 3 something, right? So it means that when you are applying the clock pulse, then only count will changes from the one value to the another value. It means that the moment if you want to change from 0 to 1, we need to apply the one clock pulse. To change from 1 to 2, we need to apply the one more clock pulse. To change from 2 to 3, we equate the one more clock pulse. To change from 3 to 0, we applied the one more clock pulse. So what is the counter means which counts the number of clock pulse, that is called as the counter. Now what are the classifications of the counter means based on how we are applying the clock pulse to the flip flop. This is important point. Based on how we are applying the clock pulse to the flip flop, we have the two categories. One is called as the asynchronous counter, or the other name for this one is ripple counter. Then second one is the synchronous counter or parallel counter. So counter is the widest application of the flip flop where the group of flip flops with the clock signal is applied, right? So if you are using the multiple flip flop, then you are going to use the counter operation.